Have you ever seen a robot arm help someone write, or a machine take a picture of your bones? That's the magic of biomedical engineering, where science, medicine, and technology come together to help people live healthier lives. What is biomedical engineering? Definition: biomedical engineering is the field that combines engineering with medicine to design tools, machines, and technology to help improve human health. Or simply, it's engineering to help doctors and patients. Famous quote: "The greatest wealth is health." So biomedical engineers don't build rockets or bridges, they build life-saving machines, body parts, and health tools. Examples of biomedical. Let's look at a few amazing examples. Prosthetics, artificial arms, legs, or hands that help people walk or grab things again, like a robotic hand that helps a child play with toys. Medical devices, machines like pacemakers for the heart, insulin pumps for diabetes, or hearing aids. These small devices keep people healthy every day. Medical imaging. Ever seen an X-ray or MRI? These are special machines that look inside the body. They help doctors see bones, brains, and more without surgery. 3D printed organs. Yes, scientists are now creating artificial organs using 3D printers. All these inventions are created by biomedical engineers to make life easier and healthier for people. Why is it important? Biomedical engineering is super important because it helps people live longer. It helps doctors diagnose and treat better. It brings hope to people with injuries or disabilities. Without it, we wouldn't have wheelchairs, artificial hearts, machines to fight cancer. It's like giving superpowers to hospitals. Let's recap. Biomedical engineering equals engineering's medicine equals health tech. It's about helping people walk, see, and heal with the help of smart machines and designs. So next time you see a robotic arm or an X-ray machine, just smile and say, "That's biomedical engineering at work." Like this video, subscribe for more cool science stuff. Comment your favorite health invention below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.